How to remove Made with AI label on Facebook post after posting it. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To remove Made with AI label on Facebook post after posting it, open Facebook. Here you can see I have made this post and you can see this Made with AI label on my Facebook post. So to remove this, simply go to your profile, click on the hamburger icon located on top right hand side of your screen. Now click on your profile. Now scroll down to your post. Here on right hand side of your post, you can see this three dot. Click on that. Now click on edit post. Now on top of your screen, right below your profile name, you can see this AI label on icon. So click on that. Then you will see this kind of pop-up labeling your content. Here you can see this thing is turned on and that's why you are getting Made with AI label on your Facebook post. So simply turn it off. After turning it off, go back and save a post. Here you can see I have successfully removed this AI label on my Facebook post. This is how you remove Made with AI label on a Facebook post after posting it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.